Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lena, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys products from My Black is Beautiful. Now this video is sponsored by My Black is Beautiful, and if you have not heard about My Black is Beautiful, they are a community that really just celebrates our beauty from within, and they have a hair care line. So I'm really excited to see what their new styling products are going to do for my curls. If you follow me on social media on Instagram, then you saw that I recently cut some of my hair off, so I'm super excited and anxious to see how these new styling products are gonna get my curls popping. So let me stop talking, let me go wet my hair, and let's get these products started. Okay, so I just went and wet my hair down, and we are going to try their hydrating shampoo. So the shampoo does smell good. I'm one of those people who I like products that smell good in my hair. Not super overbearing or anything like that. So that's what I've noticed about each product of this line. It does smell good and it's not super overbearing or anything like that. So I like a good smelling product, okay? Okay, so y'all see I can just comb my fingers through my hair. It says it's a hydrating shampoo. My hair with it in does not feel stripped at all. Sometimes with not conditioners, with shampoos, you can feel that it's already stripping your hair, but this one is definitely a hydrating shampoo. All right, so shampoo is all in. I am going to go rinse this out and I'll be back to use the conditioner. Okay, so now the shampoo is all out of my hair. My hair feels really soft right now, and I do like that. So when it says it's a hydrating shampoo, it is a hydrating shampoo. My hair feels really good. And it smells good because that shampoo smells really good. So now we are gonna go into the Fortifying conditioner. So these products have golden milk with honey and coconut oil. So that's probably why they smell so good. And we are just going to get that conditioner up in these strands. Shampoo made it super easy to finger detangle, so now my hair is already detangled, and then putting the conditioner in it even helps it out even more. Okay, so the conditioner is now all out of my hair, and now I'm going to follow it up with the intense recovery treatment. So basically this is like your deep conditioner. I normally would not do a shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner. Either it's shampoo, conditioner, or shampoo and deep conditioner if I need to deep condition. But for the sake of the video, and I want to show you guys all the products, I'm going to use them all, okay? All right, so I'm gonna put a cap on my head and I'll be back in 15 minutes. So the intense recovery treatment is all out of my hair. My hair is still nice and soft. All of these products smell so good. They smell very luxurious. I don't really know, but I don't know. It's the golden milk with honey and coconut oil like that. It just smells amazing. It really smells really, really good. It gives me luxurious vibes. It gives me black excellence vibes. It gives me Birkin bag me vibes. I don't know, but it just smells so good. The next product they do have is a detangling spray. I'm not really into detangling sprays to detangle my hair. I typically do that with the leave-in conditioner or with the actual styling products. But if you are into detangling sprays, they do have one and it smells just as good. So the next product that I'm going to be using is the Tangle Slayer conditioning cream. They have one for type 4, which is what I'm going to be using because your girl is type 4. And they also have one for type 3. Type 3 curly hair, type 4 is coily hair, so I will be using the type 4. So I'm going to be using this product as if it is a leave-in conditioner. That's how I'm going to be using it. Some people have been using it as a styler, but on the directions, per the directions, it does say follow with any of the My Black is Beautiful styling products. So to me, I read that as I can use it as a leave-in conditioner. And it is a conditioning cream, so for me, it will be a leave-in conditioner. So we are just going to put this all over our head like so. So now the conditioning cream is all in my hair as my leave-in, and now I'm going to follow that up with the curl cream, and I'm going to be doing a flat twist out. So let's go ahead and get that started. So I'm going to use the edge layer on my edges for the front one. I did it on this side, and I'm going to put some on the front over this side. All right guys, so we are all twisted up. I feel like this is going to be a very successful flat twist out already. Like I just get the feeling, I just have the feeling that this is going to be a bomb twist out, flat twist out. Okay guys, so it is the next day. My hair is 100% dry. I can feel the hold, like the cast on it from the curl cream. So I know my hair is definitely gonna have some hold. It's gonna have some definition. So let's just go ahead and take it down and see what it's gonna look like. I haven't even fluffed it. We just separated. That's what I love about flat twist outs, because it already gives you the separation that you need when you take it down. So all you have to do is just fluff it. You really could just go out like this and allow it to get bigger and bigger as the days go on, but my day one, I do like a big fro, so we are gonna pick this out. But this definition, Wow. Wow. She's there. She is there. So that is it, you guys. My hair came out so bomb. The definition is there. Look how full my hair looks. Like, it just, the volume, the definition. My hair came out really, really great. I would say out of all of the products, the hydrating shampoo might be my favorite, actually. The shampoo just, it felt really good going on. I was able to detangle with the shampoo. It smelled great. I was just very, very surprised by this. I do like hydrating shampoos, and a lot of them, you know, they leave your hair feeling okay, but this left my hair feeling really, really good. So the hydrating shampoo, definitely my favorite. And also the curl cream. So some places I was a little heavy-handed, so you don't have to get too heavy-handed because or you'll get flakes. So don't get too heavy-handed on the curl cream, but as you can see, the definition, the poppage is there. So these two I would say are a fan favorite from me out of this collection. Thank you guys so much for watching, and shout out to My Black is Beautiful for sponsoring this video. Definitely check them out on Instagram. Hit that follow button for them, and you can get all of these products at your local Sally's. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.